before. Can you say hi? Come closer, come closer. Say hi, I'm Josh Jr. and cute as a button.
Oh, that's your video one.
Mm-hmm.
Vacuum. We're not going to do that right now. The one in the hall works better than this one.
Ah.
But hi. Hanger. Yes, my darling. What are you doing?
Don't you guys taking your picture?
Yeah. Say hi to all your cousins.
It's your daddy. I hear your daddy.